Shivangi, hi, good afternoon. Want to quickly take your view with regard to the index and the bank nifty. The nifty, bank nifty, what levels are you tracking and how is it looking at this point?
Very good afternoon, Harsh. So we've seen that the indices have witnessed a little bit of a rub off at the higher zones. But the good part is that we've rallied well in the last 4 weeks, and we've seen that the index has been sustaining at higher zones, which is a very positive part. Now, overall, we've seen that there has been the scattered pockets where the buying has been emerged in terms of sectors, which has somehow managed to hold the index each one of the day in the last 4 to 5 weeks. Now, overall, we've seen that, of course, heavyweights are on the forefront right now, but the consolidation that we're seeing from the last 5 trading sessions has indicated that there is very strong support-based buying, but then again, a little follow-up missing in action at the higher zones, which is making it a little lackluster. So overall, we are going for buy on decline strategy. While 24,000 is an important psychological level, 24,200 will be the immediate support to watch out for. And the next level, 24,650 on the upside. Now, of course, today is expiry for Nifty, but then again, we've seen that the index has been in a very narrow range, in a very consolidative mood ahead of the holiday. So there is some sort of a lackluster move that we need to deal with. So advice would be to go on for option strategies instead of naked positions, which would help traders. Now, talking about Bank Nifty, there has been an outperformance here from the last two series. Of course, after after touching a lifetime high territory, there has been some profit taking. But overall, we are still respecting 55,000, which is a very close level right now. But that is acting as an important level right now, where there are a lot of put writers which are positioning themselves. Now, on the upside, we're looking at 55,750 as the immediate hurdle for Bank Nifty, but buy and decline to continue here with strength continuing in the heavyweight private names.
Right. So that's with regards to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Shivangi Hiral on this side. So what would your top picks be, taking into consideration the way trade is panning out right now?
Good afternoon, Hiral. So, talking about my top picks for this afternoon, first up would be, we've seen that there has been good buying interest across, spaces like which are related to gold and jewelry. Of course, today is Akshaya Tritiya, and it has a lot of importance. We've seen that, Titan has been one stock which has seen a good rub off of this effect and consistently made higher top, higher bottom in the last 4 weeks. Now, year on year basis, we've seen that this stock has been a wealth creator. Recently, there has been smart buying in the last 4 weeks, and in the last 15 trading sessions, out of which 13 have closed in green, which indicates that strength of the bulls is to continue here. The jewelry segment of Titan has registered 24% year on year growth, supported by, of course, higher gold prices and the way this metal is shining. Now, gold jewelry alone rose by 27%, while gold sale coins jumped around about 65%, which is reflecting the strong demand here. And of course, with the festivities kicking in, this stock is poised to do a good up move here. So recommending a buy with a target of 3,500 levels on an immediate basis with a stop of 3,330 levels. Now, the second pick on my radar is IGL, which has seen a recent price volume surge here. RSI is showing positive divergence, and with the kind of diversification we are seeing across the board, across sectors, this is one stock which is now started to just move. On a monthly basis, we've seen that the stock has consolidated, but the good part is there has been good support-based buying from the lower levels, which is making a comeback of the bulls here. Now, it has surpassed its immediate hurdle levels of 193 zones, and it is getting ready for a upside move. So recommending a buy here with a target of 200 and a stop of 190 level.